We're Lance and Christy. Join us as we build our dream. Welcome to Knight's Helm Farms. Monkey, your tail's huge. And there's Mr. Sam. And Frodo's over there with his mom, Bindi. And I think I hear Mary. She went in with the puppies, so she's not, she doesn't know where we went. But we let the kids out. Hi, there she is. There's Miss Mary. There's Miss Mary. Hi, Mary. And there's Sammy and Frodo and Monkey and their mama. She's sticking close to them, and she didn't take them to the highway, so that's a good thing. Yeah. Yeah. So we're gonna get back at the fence today with our new and improved hole shovel. Anyway, just thought I'd show you the kids because they've been playing out here. Yeah, you've been playing out here, huh? It's good that they came this direction and not toward the road. And this is where we left off on our fourth hole right here when we broke the shovel the other day. So we've since fixed the shovel. Alright, we have 1, 2, 3, and now 4. Just needs to be tamped so that it's level or plumb. And he's started on the 5th hole down there, but we're doing some more changes to our weird handle thing. So we decided to switch out the hardware for the hardware that came with that handle rather than the hardware that came with that shovel, and see if it'll stay tight, because it was not staying tight. So it should, and if not, we'll go get the Loctite. Put some Loctite on those babies.
Attachfication, yes.
Attached again.
Looks good. That looks good. Gave it some more wounds. It's always good.
Get the lid on this so it doesn't dump all over. They do not lock in place.
Yeah, they do.
I found that out the hard way.
Oh, not the sockets. But all the other stuff.
All the sockets will come all out and be everywhere.
Yeah. There's those. Okay.
Feels
Old
better.
and improved.
Old and improved. V2. Version 2.0. So you want to tamp this one, or do you want to continue digging that one?
Oh, we better tamp it. Tampification.
Tamp.
Oh yes, there goes the mighty Hunter Pippin.
Oh yeah, I see him. Over there. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, now he's disappeared.
I see, you can't see him now. He went to cat ninja mode.
Yeah, cat ninja mode. He was right over there somewhere. They like hunting mice over there. That's okay. Oh, there he is again.
goes right side.
Right side.
Armor beetle, armor beetle. Pound digging bar, dun and dun. 10-pound digging bar, dun 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 dun.
So we went through and marked a long time ago. We had the wheel measure out here. And we brought the white spray paint out. And I don't know if you can see that white mark on the fence right there. Yeah. That's how we know where we're going right now. We marked it out, and then we don't have to... Yes. Then we don't have to measure while we're out here. We just go to the next white mark. The battery died.
Yep.
But we swapped it out. I cheat and bring extra. What are you doing?
Huh?
Hold on to my fur, I like it when the dogs are barking.
I was thinking more rock and rolly than that one.
Oh, because of his hair.
No, I was doing Arthur, 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 Arthur.
I.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't have any fun at all, ever.
Arthur.
Oh my goodness. That's a lot of, There we go.
Right here.
Well, you lean all over.
Yeah, because this one's sticking way out this way too.
Yeah,
So right here will be good.
okay.
It's just that those are in the way.
Those.
The wires.
Oh, you need me to push on them?
Well, we've got ways of fixing it.
Well, I was standing next to the last one. I can stand next to that one. So there's three more between here and the 5-acre fence. Way down there. So that'll be quick and easy.
Yep.
And then over here,
Like hour and a half proposed.
here we have, it's not either. Here we have Aragorn and King Arthur. So the two kings have graced us with their with their presence. But this is kind of Aragorn's territory.
Yes. Did you see the goat sheep?
The goat sheep. Yeah, I see him over there. The goat sheep. Now what are you doing? Oh, he gets that one.
Get it. Get it. Get it.
He's like, this is my territory. I don't know why Arthur's out here.
Yeah.
Why is Arthur out here? Arthur's out here only because we're out here.
Right?
Arthur usually hangs out over there. I've been seeing robins all day today. Those over there are robins. I don't know if the camera's going to pick them up or not.
So,
The first sign of spring. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Oh, you're a good boy, too.
Aragorn's only comfortable with one of the hobbits.
Hobbits.
Yeah. He's good
Pippin.
He's good with Pippin. He's not sure about the other three.
He likes Gandalf. Oh, but Gandalf's not a hobbit. Durr.
You have to cut that out of the scene.
Here comes old cross-eyed. He's after him again. Look at him. Here he comes. Be nice. Arthur, be nice. We've determined that the hair issue is actually static electricity.
Arthur.
Hey, Arthur, be nice. Turd. All right. Feed the cats. And then take showers and get cleaned up and then make our dinner and then relax and get warm because I'm freezing.
You're freezing. Don't know why.
Cold. I'm cold.
Help with this.
Yeah, I should have.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, cool. Bye. Okay, so we're continuing with our fencing, which isn't really fun. It's not fun for me. It's not fun for everybody, but it's got to be done. So, luckily we've had lots of rain and everything. The holes were a little bit easier to dig. I have lots of tools. None of them work on this soil. We've already talked about that. The tractor post hole digger, auger, no, only goes a few inches into the soil because it's just based on weight. We have a 2-person auger. No, it'll get 6-8 inches down. Maybe the rest of it has to be done with a digger bar and a post hole shovel. So I finally finished that for this whole section. I don't know, it's like 13 miles worth, something like that. It's a long ways. What, probably a third of a mile.
Well, no.
Yeah, probably somewhere around
Well,
there.
you know how much it is because it's 40 feet every pipe post.
That's a lot of pipe posts.
And you did.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Yeah, so there's,
Plus the 2 on the either side.
well, just you only have to count one. So,
So
11 times 40.
Yep, 440 feet.
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Yeah, that's,
So, a lot of post holes. You know, got it all in there. Looks good.
does look good.
Now, what we have to do next is put in the T-posts. You can probably see behind me here, they're already T-posts in, but this is for the old fence. Since we're doing our own fence, I haven't really messed with the original fence whatsoever. Our neighbors sometimes put cattle on here so they can feed on the land, and he has a electrical wire set up, so we're just doing ours from scratch, not messing with that one whatsoever. But again, we're ready for T-posts. Gonna put those in all the way down. There's like 33 of them I have to hammer in, and which reminds me, I'm probably gonna want some headphones. Listen to some music while I'm doing that so I don't go deaf by the time I finish this side. Yes, that would not be good. And then once we do that, maybe, I don't know, it's getting semi-late today. I can probably get all those in today. And then tomorrow we'll probably put up the actual fencing and see how much fun that is, because we've got a huge tree down here we might have to take a couple branches off of.
I got my helper. And he's very happy. Very happy. You're a very happy helper, aren't you? Hi. Yeah. Yeah, he says it's almost dinner time. So I'm really happy because I'm going to get dinner. Yeah. You're going to get dinner. Yeah. Such a cute baby. You're such a cute baby. Yes, you are. Okay. Let's see. Now, what we just accomplished was pretty fast, actually. I don't know how long it actually took, but it went pretty quickly. We got all the T-posts in from the 2-acre fence all the way back to here. And we stopped because we have to do some trimming on that tree, and it just seems like it would be easier to trim the tree without extra T-posts in the way. So we stopped here at that pipe post. So a little trimming, a couple more T-posts, actually 3 more T-posts, and then we can put the fence up. And some of the T-posts have to go in the ground a little bit farther. So they're not quite they're not quite all the same. But they're pretty close. So that's it for tonight.
See you next week on Nighttown Farms, where we don't know what we're doing, but we're doing it anyways.
That's right.
Okay, bye.